If you want to add a thank you page in SurveyMonkey, I'll show you the exact steps in this quick tutorial. This is useful if you want to give respondents a custom message after they finish your survey, thank them for their time, or direct them to the next step. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the survey you want to edit. This is important because the thank you page settings are added per survey, so you need to open the correct one before making changes. After you open the survey, look for the option to publish or manage the survey flow. In this case, click on Publish Survey. This will take you to the area where you can control how your survey is collected and what happens after someone submits their response. Next, choose the collector you are currently using to collect responses. If you have more than one collector, make sure you select the one that is active because the thank you page settings need to be applied to the correct collection method. Once you're inside the collector settings, scroll down until you find the thank you section. Here, click on Custom Thank You. This is the option that allows you to replace the default ending message with a personalized message for your respondents. After selecting Custom Thank You, SurveyMonkey may ask you to upgrade your plan. That's because the Custom Thank You page is a paid feature, so if you're on a free plan, you may not be able to use this option unless you upgrade. If you do have access to the feature, you can then customize your thank you message to match your survey goals. For example, you can thank people for completing the survey, share a follow-up link, or add instructions for what they should do next. A good thank you page helps make your survey feel more professional and complete. So to quickly recap, go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Publish Survey, choose your collector, scroll to Custom Thank You, and then adjust the message if your plan supports it. That's the full process for adding a thank you page in SurveyMonkey. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.